welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming a makeup favorites, and I have some old ones and I have some new ones. So not old, but like throwback. So yeah, without that further ado, I'm gonna cut right there because I know I'm gonna talk a lot. So let's just get started because I want to start talking. Now I know that this video is gonna be a long one. So I have for moisturizers, I think I have something of everything. So the first one I'm gonna go with because it's the only thing that I've been liking lately, the only moisturizer that I've been loving. This is the Kylie moisturizer. This is a moisturizing sorbet. This is such a good moisturizer. I have been having my skin really dry lately. That's why I kind of have like a nice dewy glowy look. I like it, but this has been helping me a lot with my dry skin lately. I love this. Now lately I found this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus correcting palette. This is for color correcting. You guys know that I love color correcting. That's my thing. I'm always color correcting with the reds, like covering my dark circles. Lately the only one I've been using is the yellow one, but it's really good for brightening. If you guys want like affordable ones, I suggest that one. That one's like less than $5. It's super cheap. It's like $3 or $4 and it's amazing. It's an amazing product. So primers, we're going like one by one. For a setting primer, I like to use my famous Smashbox primer water. This, I swear by this. I know that Casey Holmes, she loves this too, and this is such a good, even for like just not for makeup. You can put this and just go out today and your face will feel refreshed and it will feel like it's amazing. Also, another one that I've been liking, I've had this for a while and I still love it, is the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. Beautiful. I love this, how it's a very thick, it has a thick texture. The cream, it's like a thick texture, but it feels so good on the skin for oily girls. It just, you can't really tell, but it just mattifies your face and it lasts, your makeup lasts longer with it. Depends how you use it. I apply very little. You guys know that I put very little. Just putting a lot, the texture also, if you put a lot, it tends to leave you oily, surprisingly. I once went all out and I think I did notice that I had put too much and I kind of felt like it was gonna leave my face oily, and it was exactly like that. The next primer that I really like also, which is a throwback because it's an oldie but a goodie, the Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. It minimizes the pores. That's what it's made for. That's why it's called the Professional, because it minimizes the pore. It like blurs them, it makes them go away, and you apply it and you have just a perfect finish to your skin, and you guys should definitely try it. And if you're a starter and you want a high-end product, a high-end primer, I definitely recommend this for you. And also I had to bring one on the drugstore side. This is the NYX Total Control Drop Primer. It's in drops and it's such a good product. I love this. This leaves you a natural, I'm not gonna buy something that I do not like and that I know that I won't like it. I always buy things that I know that I'm gonna love. I've heard so many good reviews, and it is in crystal. It's risky. I don't like products like that. They stress me out. Foundations. First one I have to say is, I've loved this for a long time. I swear by this product. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation and Concealer. Foundation and concealer, excuse them all. The shade Light Beige. I know that I bought this before and I bought a shade too dark. I don't know if you guys remember those ones that have been with me since the beginning of my YouTube channel, that I once used it and I literally looked like an Oompa Loompa. I literally looked like an orange Oompa Loompa. I was like, it doesn't oxidizes, but it leaves a reddish finish. But if you set it and you bake it, it literally leaves you this color, the color of your skin. I don't know, it's really weird. Another one, now this is my holy grail. I've had these. This was the first foundation that I bought from the drugstore, my first ever foundation. This was not the first one, but like I've repurchased this so many times that I just love it. This is the Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless Foundation. I love this. For those girls out there that are oily like me, I say buy it. If you think you're my shade is 20 to 20 Natural Beige. I have it on right now and this is how it looks. Another affordable one, which I also love, and I recently have found my love for this foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focused Foundation. You're probably gonna say, why does it look so small? It is small, but and also has a smells like paint. It's also for oily girls. I'm showing you this because I'm an oily girl and I love buying matte foundations. I never go for dewy ones. No. Of course, I have to swing one of high end. So I have mine's foundation sticks. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick. 120. The only thing I don't like is that it creases on my smile lines. That's the only thing that I don't like, but it's a good foundation stick. It is pricey, but if you want to not get the drugstore one and you want to get high-end, I suggest this one. For concealers, I love an oldie but a goodie. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have it in one of the lightest shades, which I made a mistake. I don't know if Maria made me more tanner, but I feel like I'm no longer this color. I used to be this, literally this pale. This one's in the shade Light to Vanilla. I swear by this. This is high-end. If you want a high-end concealer, I recommend this one. The famous Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, I know that I've said in my videos before that I don't like this product. I don't like it alone. I like mixing it with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. These two together, they're amazing. Mixing this two, I feel like they're really, really good combinations. I know I tried it once and I said, well, let's give it a shot. I do have setting powders, which I think you already saw it. These are my two favorite powders. This is on the drugstore side and this one's on the high-end side. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and this is the Airspun Phase Loose Powder. This literally costs less than $10. This one costs like almost less than $30, I say, between $20 and $30. And I go back and forth between the two of them, these two. Now, for mascara. For mascara, I have mascara. I do love, I have two drugstore ones. Now, I'm sorry, I don't know why this got so dirty. I think it was my mother. The Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is a dupe for the Better Than Sex. People said it, and it's true. It's literally the same one, but as a drugstore one. And then I love this one. This is the Maybelline New York The Rocket Volume Express Mascara. This one's waterproof. If you want a waterproof one, I recommend this one. It's such a good waterproof mascara. I don't think I mix this two together for my bottom lashes and it leaves a perfect lash. It's like it leaves you like the Benefit Cosmetics, the new mascara. I know, I really want to try that one. Liner, my holy grail liner has to be the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I love this. I swear by this. This is amazing. It lasts all day. Now for my brows, I know that I never show my brows because I already made a brow tutorial, so if you guys want, I don't know, I just feel like doing my brows on camera is just, I take my sweet time. But these are my three favorite brow products. This is a high-end one. This is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills brand. This is the Browiz, and mine's in the shade Dark Brown. I love this. This is the LA Color Wowie Brow Pencil. And this is in the shade Dark Brown. I think it's called Soft Brown. And it's really good. It's amazing. It lasts all day. Your brow. I don't even set my brows. I don't believe in setting them with an actual like setting. This is the first one. This is the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. I feel like the one that's broken, it leaves such a gorgeous glow. This is the one that I have on my inner corner, and for the glitter on my eyes, that's the color. And that's called Funny Girl. It's good for traveling because it's small. Now this is from Colorina Makeup Studio. I went to their store lately / factory and I love it. I came with this, is one of the things that they gave me. This is a metallic eyeshadow palette and it's definitely, trust me, it's metallic. The blue one has such, do you guys see this? Like, do you see that? These are such gorgeous colors. One swipe, you saw that. Oh my god. Next is the Kylie. This is the Kylie Royal Peach palette. But I always go for the peachy colors and the blue tones on this. It's such a gorgeous color. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful color. Oh yes. Colorina Makeup Studio as well. Look at these shades. This purple. I fell in love with this gray one. I don't know, I saw it and I was like, I need that palette, I need that gray. Now my last eyeshadow palette has to be the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is from Morphe. I saw this palette and I was like, this would be my dream palette. This palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. That's me. I love the colors. I love how she incorporated like blues, a little bit of everything. Now this is one of my favorite bronzers. This is the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. Beached Bronzed. It's the darkest shade. I don't know why I bought the darkest shade. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I love this. This is so beautiful. I use the banana shade, but I know that people call it the banana shade because it's yellow and it's really good for your under eyes. And I also love these the three shades. I like the three of them, but I always kneel towards this one and this one. Next is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. This is such a beautiful, yes, you can see I've hit pan. I'm so sad. This is the shade. This is the only shade I use, but I've also been using these two. I've been mixing it. I don't use a lot of this one because this is one way too dark for me, but I also love it, and I've lately been using it also for my under eyes. I use the banana shade. Favorite blushes lately, this is the Bettina You Make Me Blush and Bronzer palette. I do not suggest this for bronzer. For those who have seen my video where I tried these two shades for the first time, I looked once again like an Oompa Loompa. I was like, what the hell just happened? I didn't know what to do. But for blush, it's so good. But I love these shades for blushes. I've tried them all, but this is from the drugstore. It's really good. I have never bought a blush from high end. I don't think I have I? This is from Colorina Makeup Studio. I swear it's not sponsored. It's just I recently went. This is the blush and it's also a bronzer, but I love it for blush. I feel like it's really pigmented, so you have to be really careful. Highlighters, which is my favorite part. These are the Wet n Wild highlighting powders. These are so beautiful. This one's on the shade Rose Precious Petals, and this one's Golden Flower Crown. This one's a goldy color, and this one's more like a rosy color. And yes, of course, I will swatch it. Don't worry, don't shout, one at a time. Come on, people. All-time holy grail. I have two of these because as soon as I finish this one, I know that I'm gonna wear that one. Champagne Pop highlighter. Now, Jaclyn Hill is one of the girls that I love how they apply the highlighters. You see that? It's so beautiful, and I actually have a highlight that I'm wearing today. It's the Champagne Pop. I'd say for the lip pencils, I have ones that are from the Colorina Makeup Studio. I'm trying to find the name, but I don't think it has a name. This one's called Latte. Then my all-time favorite ones, the Kylie ones. I have two that are of Exposed, Posy K, and this one's Dirty Peach liquid lipsticks. This one's affordable. This is from the L'Oreal Infallible line. This is a matte liquid lipstick, and it's a red one. This is Exposed, which I'm not gonna swatch it because I have it on right now, so you guys can see sort of how it looks. And then this one is from the Anastasia Beverly Hills line brand, and this is the famous Pure Hollywood. Last but not least, setting sprays. These are my two favorite setting sprays. Now these, don't get me wrong, they leave like a dewy finish sometimes. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. I did not know that this left a dewy finish. This one is MAC Fix Plus. They're like twins, but they're from different brands. I adore it. That would be it for my makeup favorites. I hope that you enjoyed it. I love showing you guys my favorite product, and I'm just not showing off. Disclaimer, I'm not showing off. I just love showing you guys so you guys can see and go and buy the products that I love, so you guys can love it too. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna stop talking because there's too much noise, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. I don't know what was that.